Rise from the Ashes, the journey of a relentless dreamer. Once upon a time, in a small town nestled in the hills, there lived a young woman named Maya. Born into a humble family, Maya was never one to shy away from dreaming big. Her father was a carpenter, and her mother, a teacher. Though they had little in terms of material wealth, they instilled in her the values of perseverance, hard work, and the importance of education. As a child, Maya often wandered the streets of her village, gazing at the stars and imagining a life beyond the confines of the town. She would sit for hours at the river bank, sketching pictures of faraway places, believing that one day she would travel to those distant lands. Her dreams were painted in broad strokes, filled with adventure, discovery, and the promise of a life she had yet to experience. However, life had its own plans for Maya. When she turned 16, her world was shaken. A sudden fire ravaged their home. The flames consumed everything they owned, memories, possessions, and dreams alike. Maya's family was left with nothing but the clothes on their backs and a heart full of despair. The fire destroyed not just their house, but Maya's sense of security and future aspirations. For the first time, she felt helpless, as though her dreams had been reduced to ashes. Yet, even in the darkest moments, Maya's spirit remained unbroken. She stood in the ruins of her childhood home, staring at the charred remains, and made a vow to herself. "I will rise from these ashes," she whispered. "I will rebuild not just our home, but our lives, and my dreams will not die here." With nothing but her determination and the support of her parents, Maya began to rebuild. Her father worked tirelessly to restore the family's modest living conditions, while her mother tutored her and other children in the village to ensure they didn't fall behind in their studies. Maya, too, began working, doing odd jobs, teaching younger children, and saving every penny she could. The road was long and filled with challenges. There were times when Maya felt like giving up. Her dreams seemed too far out of reach, and the scars of the fire often weighed heavily on her heart. But each time doubt crept in, she remembered her vow. She recalled the feeling of standing in the ashes of her former life and promised herself that she would rise again. At 18, Maya received a scholarship to study in the city. It was a life-changing opportunity, but it also meant leaving behind everything she had ever known. With a heavy heart, she said goodbye to her parents and the village that had shaped her. The city was bustling, noisy, and overwhelming. Maya often felt like an outsider, surrounded by people who seemed to have everything she lacked: money, confidence, and connections. But Maya was determined not to let the city's fast pace swallow her. Her first year at university was difficult. She struggled with the coursework, the loneliness, and the cultural shock. She missed her family, the familiarity of home, and the quiet simplicity of village life. But through every sleepless night and difficult exam, Maya kept her focus on her goal. She kept telling herself, "If I can rise from the ashes once, I can do it again." Slowly, things began to change. Maya found a community of like-minded students who encouraged her to believe in herself. She discovered a passion for sustainable architecture, which blended her love for design with her desire to make a difference in the world. Maya started participating in projects that aimed to provide affordable housing solutions for people in need. She worked on creating designs that would withstand natural disasters, drawing from her own experience with loss and resilience. Maya's designs were not just about creating buildings, they were about creating hope. Her work caught the attention of professors and industry professionals, and soon, she found herself being offered internships and speaking opportunities. With each step forward, Maya felt the weight of her past become lighter, as if the ashes of her old life were finally transforming into something beautiful. Years passed, and Maya's career blossomed. She became known not just for her innovative designs, but for her story of overcoming adversity. She spoke at conferences, wrote articles, and started a foundation to help those affected by natural disasters rebuild their lives. But despite her success, she never forgot where she came from. One day, after giving a speech at a conference, Maya received a letter from her childhood village. It was an invitation to return home and help rebuild the community center that had been destroyed in the same fire that had taken so much from her family. The letter was signed by her parents, who were now old but still full of hope. Maya smiled as she read the letter. Her dreams had come full circle. She was no longer the young girl standing in the ashes, wondering if her dreams would ever take flight. She was now the woman who had built something from nothing, who had risen from the depths of despair and transformed her pain into purpose. When Maya returned to her village, she brought with her not just designs for the new community center, but a vision for a brighter future. The village, once marked by tragedy, was now a symbol of resilience and hope. Together, Maya and the villagers rebuilt, not just buildings, but lives. Rise from the ashes, the journey of a relentless dreamer, was no longer just a story of one woman's struggle, it was a story of an entire community, rising together, from the ashes of their past, into a future filled with hope and possibility. Maya had not only rebuilt her life, but had given others the tools to rebuild theirs. And in the end, the dreams Maya had once sketched by the riverbank had become her reality, not because they were easy to reach, but because she was relentless and she had never given up.